Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to gather dirt and sand in ICARUS. So let's begin. First of all, you're gonna need to craft yourself some kind of a shovel. I'm going to be using a wooden shovel. Now that you have your shovel created, you can go outside and just dig up the ground. This is how you get dirt. Now to get sand, you're gonna have to find the desert. It's the only way I know how to get a sand. So, now that we are here, you're gonna pick your shovel and just dig. You're gonna have to go a little bit further. And as you can see, I got some sand. That's gonna be all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.